नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सारासस क्लासेस में। आज हम टेस्ट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एट 10+2 लेवल जो बुक है उससे एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। ये बुक टोमेटो नाम से जाना जाता है और ये जो बुक है इट इज़ बेसिकली पब्लिश्ड बाय इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूशन टू हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स इन देयर प्रिपरेशन फॉर डिफरेंट I.S.I एंट्रेंसेस। तो आइए देख लेते हैं कि इस प्रॉब्लम में क्या पूछा गया है। Inside an equilateral triangle ABC, an arbitrary point P is taken from which the perpendiculars PD, PE and PF are dropped onto the sides BC, CA and AB respectively. Now we have to show that PD plus PE plus PF divided by BD plus CE plus AF doesn't depend upon the choice of the point P, and we have to find its value also. तो चलिए इसके सॉल्यूशन करने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम डायग्राम जो है वो ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं। दिस इज द ट्रायंगल ABC। ओके, and let P be an arbitrary point in triangle, and the perpendicular PD, PE and PF are dropped onto BC, CA and AB. Okay, now this is PD, this is PE and this is PF. अब हम AP जो है वो ज्वाइन करते हैं, जो कि है एंगल बाइसेक्टर है। BP is similar to AP and also CP. As ABC is an equilateral triangle, therefore these angles are all 30 degree. Okay. तो सबसे पहले हम लिख लेते हैं कि जैसे कि हमें बोला गया है कि AB is equals to BC equals to CA and angle B is equals to angle C equals to angle A, which is 60 degree, as the triangle is an equilateral triangle. Okay, and the next point is, as PD is a perpendicular on BC, PD is a perpendicular on BC, PE is a perpendicular on AC, and PF is a perpendicular on AB. So from 1 we can say that angle PAF is equals to angle PAE is equals to 30 degree, angle PCE is equals to angle PCD is equals to 30 degree, and angle PBD is equals to angle PBF is also equals to 30 degree. ठीक है। Now in this given triangle we can see that in triangle PAF, in triangle PAF जो कि ये triangle है with a 90 degree angle PFA and with a 30 degree angle FAP. Therefore we can say that in triangle PAF, PF divided by AF is equals to tan 30 degree, which is equals to 1 by root 3, or PF is equals to AF divided by root over 3. Okay. Similarly, for triangle PBD, we get PD is equals to 1 by root 3 BD, and for triangle PCE we get PE is equals to 1 by root 3 CE. ओके, तो अब हम कह सकते हैं कि जो रेशियो हमें पूछा गया है, दैट इज PD प्लस PF प्लस PE डिवाइडेड बाय BD प्लस CE plus AF is nothing but 1 by root over 3 BD plus CE plus AF whole divided by BD plus CE plus AF, which reduces to 1 by root 3. Therefore, the value of the ratio is 1 by root 3. And as each of these PD, PF and PE can be represented with respect to BDCF and BDCE and AF respectively, so the specified ratio doesn't depend upon the choice of the point P, as each of PD, PE and PF depends only on BD, CE and AF. Therefore, the specified ratio doesn't depend on the choice of point P. Okay. So that's all for today. We sort of sales classes provide different study materials and mock test series for I.S.I entrance exam. तो आप हमारे यहाँ ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, या फिर आप हमारा जो वेबसाइट है वो जाके चेक कर सकते हो, जो कि है www.classes for further details. And please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.